Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and like, comment, and also share the videos with your friends and family. In 2020, the National Insurance Building, the Barbados Fire Service headquarters, and the temporary public market were demolished to construct the Golden Square Freedom Park. It is a reminder to Barbadians of the sacrifices made of life and freedom so that future generations can enjoy life in an independent nation. Golden Square was a depressed working-class community in Bridgetown in the 1930s, where the Right Excellent Clement Payne, our national hero, held his most important mass meetings. This stomping ground where Clement Payne conveyed his powerful message, educate, agitate, but do not violate, was officially opened to the public as the Golden Square Freedom Park. Included in the 2-acre park are a Builders of Barbados wall, a community wall, and a 1937 memorial wall. Inscribed on the Builders of Barbados wall are the names of people who resided here.
Watch out! Moon's explosion!
The first slave rebellion, which took place in Barbados in 1675, was organized by Ghanaian slaves of Fante descent, who had planned to appoint Kofi as the king of Barbados. But the planned rebellion was leaked 2 weeks before the date, which led to the arrest of the plotters. About 42 slaves were executed, some were burnt alive, and their bodies dragged through the streets as a warning to other conspirators. In 1807, the British Parliament had abolished the slave trade, but emancipation was not taking place as the slaves in Barbados expected, and this led to a major rebellion on April 14, 1816, headed by Bussa, a Nigerian of Igbo descent, who commanded about 400 men and women against the troops, but the rebellion was crushed and Bussa was killed in battle. On April 17, 1876, the Confederation riots broke out in Barbados. The colonial office was trying to establish an alliance with the Windward Islands, to which the white Barbadian elite were opposed, but the Barbadian laborers supported it. Hundreds of Barbadian laborers attacked and set fire to the plantation estates where they worked, so troops were sent in to disperse the crowd and make arrests. In 1937, Clement Payne led Barbadians to resist the white planter class. He organized several public meetings which aroused the anger of the government and police. On July 26, 1937, Clement Payne was deported from the country, which led to 4 days of rioting. 14 demonstrators were killed by the police, 47 were wounded, and 500 were arrested.
Watch out! Moon's explosion!
Clement Payne was born in Trinidad in 1904 to Barbadian parents who returned to Barbados when he was 4 years old. In 1927, he returned to Trinidad where he was involved with the growth of militant trade unionism and was seen as a true missionary on a path, capturing audiences with his powerful and explosive speeches. He was determined to embed in the minds of the people the importance of uniting in an effort to strengthen themselves. The Fairchild Street Market is being redeveloped into a spacious vendors market village as a way of reducing the amount of random street vending in that area of Bridgetown. The redevelopment will also allow for a freer movement of pedestrian and vehicular traffic. The walkway by the gazebo is being restored with an enhanced color scheme that has more vibrant colors to brighten the park, in addition to extra lighting along the pathways. The Queen's Park restoration project has seen the fountain, which is one of the main features, restored, with a design of the Barbados map that includes the broken trident. There are also light displays and 11 pillars with historical information on each parish.